high above ground. That didn't matter when Irene came calling.
They got into the house. About 6, 8, 10 inches maybe. Just enough to make a mess.
His neighbor got several inches of water too. Between them, they've lived here close to 60 years and have learned to take the forecast in stride.
There ain't much you can do. It's gonna come up, it's gonna come up.
Let me say, Sunday afternoon, I'll go get me 2 30-packs of beer and a bottle of vodka. And I sit out there in my chair, and when the water splashes, then I get out of here.
Of course, the hope here is that storm turns out to sea.